Jai Guruji. Guruji saves my marriage. I can never thank Guruji enough. We came to him laden with a business problem, and Guruji immediately gave us his darshan. Everything was okay, but my biggest trial was ahead of me. I had been married for 35 years. I have a son and a daughter, and both married. And our house has been blessed with a granddaughter. But it is said, no one ever gets everything. My husband's habit could take improvement. He likes to enjoy life but does not want to take on any family responsibilities. And when he drinks, which is what really frightens me, he becomes violent and abusive. My children, thanks to Guruji, are a consolation. I would come to Guruji and ask him for a child for my daughter. But my loving Guruji wanted to give my house clean first. Granting the boon of a child was no problem. One night I had gone home after taking Guruji's leave. My husband wasn't in, but I wasn't worried. He played golf and came home late, at least 4 days in a week. Though in his early 60s, he had always liked to drink and eat with his friends. I alternated between being angry and loving since I could never oppose him. For then he would start using his hands. I was very afraid of him. Usually, when he entered the house at night, I would pretend to be asleep to avoid an ugly scene. That night, I had just turned off the bedside lamp when I seemed to hear dear Guruji's voice. He said, "Find out where your man is." I turned on the light and called my husband on his mobile. Due to Guruji's grace, my mobile was on and I could hear him talking with a woman. I could hear everything. My husband was with his mistress. I was stunned. Of course, I knew that he used to go to girls when he was young. When I voiced my suspicion, he would point out that he didn't take such a risk as AIDS was prevalent. Since my husband had always been conscious of his health and spoke with such confidence, I had believed him. So this affair was a big shock for me. But I kept my wits about me and summoned my daughter-in-law and let her listen to the conversation, for I knew I would need to confront my husband with proof. Else he would just prevail over me with violence. My son was out of Delhi. "Guruji, I'm sorry, but that day when he came back home, I hit him and turned him out. He was so drunk and he did not know what was happening. He was kept out of the house for 10 days and came back saying many times that he was sorry. He's a man with a big ego. He never used to say sorry. 2 months after the incident, there was a sea change in my husband. He turned into a good man after making me suffer for 35 years. Today, the same man loves me a lot. He loves the children and his granddaughter. Nowadays, if he drinks a lot, he cries. He confessed that he's not a good man and has given me a lot of pain. With Guruji's grace, I have forgotten everything and there is a deep love between me and my husband, as if we just had been newly married. May Guruji bless all the women of the world who suffer so much. I would like to tell everyone to come to Guruji's feet and be happy. He's God. I love my Guruji very much. Satsang by a devotee. Jai Guruji.